Today, we celebrate a day of pride and unity, Nigerians' Independence Day. Over the years, this day has been marked with vibrant colors, fashion, and creativity that reflect the beauty and strength of our people. As you can see in this stunning Independent Day photo shoots, one thing that always stands out is the magnificent headwear, from the elegant galas to the unique fascinators, each piece telling its own story. I want to use this opportunity to inspire you, my fellow creators and designers. Take a look at these amazing headpieces and let them spark your creativity. Whether you're attending an event, marking a celebration, or just showing off your style, you can create your own version of these headwear pieces, adding your unique touch. These headpieces are more than just fashion. They are a symbol of our heritage, our identity, and the joy of celebration. I encourage you to draw from this rich history and design something bold, something elegant, and something that represents you. But today is not just about fashion, it's about resilience, strength, and the hope that we as Nigerians carry within us. Despite the challenges we face, we stand strong, united, and proud of our nation. As we celebrate our independence, let us honor the grace of God that has guided us through the struggles of our forefathers and blessed us with the freedom we cherish today. May His Spirit continue to inspire us to move forward with creativity, unity, and strength. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. By God's grace, we will continue to rise, create, and inspire. Let your creativity be rooted in His strength, and may the fire of hope and faith always burn within us. Stay strong, stay united, and let's wear our pride, not just in what we create, but in the God who sustains us.